Here we are, all set and ready for our 4-day Inca hike. The starting point is 3 hours drive from our hotel. So on the way, we saw these beautiful views, and those are some cells hanging onto the mountain. People stay up there, it seems. It looked very interesting. I don't know how it feels in there. And this is the first view of the glacier. This has been throughout there in the 4-day hike, but it was beautiful. And that is my team and all our backpacks, all set and ready. And there I am, all excited for the trip. So this is the starting point of the historic Inca Trail. The first day is mostly to acclimatize, so not much elevation, not hard. New terrain, dry weather, that's my guide in the back. Beautiful views. And that's the train that we will be taking back. There were little villages on the way, so we see some civilization on the first day. Spectacular views on the way. I just can't get enough of that glacier. It's so beautiful. Those are our porters carrying our luggage, tents and everything for the night, for the 4 days. That was a nice and cool break with a cool treat. That has been the elevation part of the first day.
Can you see it a little bit? Don't worry, soon we will go there. That was a little control point, like a military, according to the constitution. Okay? And now we will talk about this important place. Yastapata, back in the time,
Some of the Inca ruins. This is our dining tent. In between these mountain ranges. That's our backpacks. Those are our porters. That's the kitchen where the food was cooked. That's the tent where our food is ready. We have a nice buffet. Ate wonderful soup. Like after 3 days after leaving home. That's the best soup I ever had. Looks like it's pumpkin soup. Our porters are relaxing. Nice treat. It's beautiful.
and are angry people in the queue. We are on our hike after lunch. It's almost getting dark. We have 2 more hours to go. 5:30 is the sunset, right now it's 14. So mostly we will be doing a last little stretch after the sunset. Okay, here we continue.
And there is the glacier in the sunset, golden color. And we were welcomed with a happy hour for the evening with nice popcorn, hot tea, and biscuits. And that's our dinner. Started with the soup and quite some pretty good items.
Really clean the shoes, huh?
Those are all our tents set up for the night. And that's inside my tent.